Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you is always well. So in this video I will make the extent feedback of my trade. My weekly trade is ended on Monday, and now I will take the time to review, make a feedback. So I'm not directly trade again. I will trade again for the week 3 after the feedback is kind of complete or something like that. So what I want to talk here is about the review for the week 2 trade, and this is the most important was the not working one or the lost one. So I will make the not working. Okay, it's already there. So basically here I'm doing 3 OTM or out of the money or loss. This one, the option 3 was profit, but the analysis was not correct, so I'm also make that as a failure one, because I only say profit by the entry point, but analysis is not good. So let's start with the number 1. This is all of the trade that I am lost. Okay, start from the number 1. So this is number 1, bullish dragonfly doji. It should be hit this, you see, strong minor uptrend. Of course against it will be make a bad decision. So the area you see between 1 deviation upper BB and 2 deviation upper BB, which is still a strong area in the major ranging. See, the major is ranging, 200 is flat, and 20 EMA just break the 100 and wants to break 200, but the break is not happened yet, so it could be some kind of ranging in the major. So that is why the minor trend was in control, and when I'm doing a put option here, that is not a good decision because it can happen like this. The price fill the gap into the round number, even make a tentative uptrend, and that is why I'm lost. So here I'm made some kind of X factor, and the lesson is the important thing, and the factor is why I'm lost. So I made again. I made here before, but this is also same like this one, but this is kind of just repeating what I'm writing down on the previous sheet. Okay, so due to against minor strong uptrend. Okay, why the strong uptrend? We have to think about that, because the area is still in upper side of 1 deviation, and then on strong area when major consolidation. Okay, why is major consolidation? Because this 200 is still in the flat mode, and the formation of the EMA is still around or not so in position. So minor call take control. That is why the minor trend take control, because the major is rest during the consolidation, because the major make a doji. This is confirmed by, now the confirmation, this is confirmed by weak candle or weak candle is not, yeah, this is not. This is confirmed by weak candle not resulting any reversal candle, and always still bullish in the color. So be careful with that, guys, especially in the major consolidation, because look at that. I'm trapped by this candlestick. I read the candle from here. Okay, I found the weakness. This is weakness because the inverted bullish hammer like same upper and the body. This is weakness, not breaking this is the level. Okay, so now I feel that this is not right because this is still bullish, so the area is still in the strong area, so anything can happen. So I wait. Look at that, they go down deeply, showing what? Showing bearish candle, but at the end they go up. Okay, they go up and still make bullish, and here I'm trapped. Why? Because I think this is the last bullish, because this is weak, this is weak, this should be bearish. Okay, but the problem is the area is not supporting my option. The area is still in the strong, so this can happen. Because I also have a perception that 14.6 is absolutely easy level to go up. Why? The price bullish need 2 candle to break it up. So I mean that something weakness here in the bullish, but actually it's not. It's still slowly and steady to reach this level. So that is why. And now what is the lesson? The lesson is how to identify a strong trend. Okay, meaning a small candle not always mean it weak. Okay, so if you find something like this small bullish, it's still color bullish, it means a strong because the area is strong. If it was on the strong area like 1 deviation upper BB versus 2 deviation upper BB, so in the middle of it, on major consolidation, this is crucial. Minor trend in control because the major was still in the rest or in the consolidation, so that is why the minor can control it. Don't get trapped because minor uptrend in control. Okay, this is the perfect example. So one of the thing that we have to realize that the strong minor uptrend strong minor uptrend can have a sign. One, for example, is like this: a small weak kind of bullish. It's like at the end of a trend, but it's actually not the end of the trend, it's in the middle. So be careful if the color is still same, especially when the weak candle making the weak candle but still in the same color in the strong area above 1 deviation upper BB, in between or here or here. Be careful with this one. Better we wait for the confirmation like this: evening star, retracements, put option. Okay, so that is what, that is the first one, guys. Very important for the lesson, especially the lesson. So I made some color here to make me more get me more attention. So let's jump to number 2. This is when I'm wrong, exactly against the minor strong after the pullback. Okay, exactly like that. Due to again strong minor downtrend. Okay, now we have to ask, why is a minor downtrend? Strong minor downtrend, why it's strong? Look at that, what is this happening? Bam, 200 EMA is broken, so it's a pullback. Now we have a question, why this is a pullback, why this is not a reversal like piercing or bullish harami, something like that. Why is a pullback? Okay, maybe I have to, while price on consolidation in form of pullback. Okay, now I have to explain why this is a pullback and it's not a reversal pattern. Because here I thought this was reversal, was retracement, because it's not doing a perfect continuation, which is reaching this level, but it's stopping at 76.4. so because I see also the major wasn't consolidated before, I just do a call here expecting this will be the reversal and this is retracement, and then happen, could be a consolidation or a real reversal. But what happened is, bam, it's a consolidation. Okay, it's like doing a doji here, it's like consolidation. So this is kind of pullback that could make a consolidation. See, some consolidation here, because it start here, it's end here. Okay, exactly, it's a doji, so this is main the context of consolidation. So why is not a pullback? Because this is the level 76.4, this is the level, I think this is the round number. Okay, and this is also the level, of course, I believe 61 here. So the price is trapped in between here. Okay, for the fake breakout, it should be the level 61 around here. Okay, this is not some kind of fake breakout. Okay, this is at the end, because the fake breakout, it should be like that in the middle of the week, like hammer. It should be in some kind of this. Okay, and the support is not too close with the fake breakout. Okay, sorry, the support is not to be too close, yes, but here if you find this like hammer, it's like that. Okay, it's like still that, but it's the weak level. Okay, this is important thing, the weak level. See, this is should be fake breakout, should be happen here. This is the weak level, so this is the strong level, the weak level, the strong level. So why the fake breakout has to happen here? Why has to happen here? It's not make sense, because this is weak, this is strong, this is strong. It should need a strong level to go fake breakout. So that is why this is still on continuation, not reverse here, because I'm expect reverse, because the previous was bearish, looking like retracement, but it's not. Also, the important why this is not a fake breakout, because of the area is still in the strong area of the downtrend. This is below 1 deviation, in between 2 and 1 deviation lower BB, so that is not good for fake breakout, especially when the support was not supporting them. Okay, but below 2 deviation, if they have a support, it's also could happen a fake breakout, because it's the end of a trend. Maybe that was the different case. So confirmed by price, still in a strong below 2 deviation lower BB. Sorry, 1, yeah, this is 1 between, and that is not a fake breakout. Okay, oh sorry, this is 2 deviation, is correct, it's not in between, and that is not fake breakout, because a fake breakout mostly not happen on the level 14.6 on such kind of strong area. Yes, 14.6, oh here 14.6. okay, this is 76.4, 14.6, and the level of round number. So that is why, that is what my explanation before, why the fake breakout should in the weak level, that is not make sense, especially in the strong area. It should reach this level to do a fake breakout, 61, like that. So it's not good to do a fake breakout in the weak level. So what I can learn here, how to identify the difference between a pullback and a fake breakout. So that is the difference, guys. Okay, one of the reason, it could be that, okay, the weak level is, it will not resulting a fake, it mostly will happen a continuation, a pullback and a continuation, especially in the strong area below 1 deviation or 2 deviation. Pullback need strong area, okay, of course. Oh sorry, pullback, yes, pullback need a strong area, because the trend is strong, so the price is doing only pullback, and the trend, okay. And fake out, okay, fake breakout like engulfing, morning star, something like that, need consolidation or ranging condition context. okay, context or condition, ranging context. And here there was no ranging context because it's breakout of 200 is still going down because it's strong. Because it's strong, it may confirm of a pullback. If this was not strong, it will make a fake breakout. So this is also could be identified of a trend, guys. If you know what is this and you know what is the trend is, okay, if it's you know the context of we, especially me, okay, we know what is the context of a market, because this is look like fake breakout. Yeah, it could be, but what is the resulting? Of course we have to find the result first, okay. And here resulting what? Bearish. So this is not a reversal, this is pullback. Pullback happen in a strong trend, or in a normal trend, okay. Pullback in the normal trend, of course, not a strong, because a strong is always bearish. It's only have a wick or a shadow. So this is like a normal trend, but it's still trend, a downtrend, because the price broken 200 need a trend, and that why this is normal, because the power is here, I think, in this breakout. So the trend become normal. And what happened after the normal trend? It could be a continuation of a trend, or a retracement, or something like this, a retracement in form of consolidation. So that is what we have to understand, guys. For example, this one, after we know this is a pullback only, okay, this is only a pullback of this breakout. So what happening? There is a normal trend because of pullback. After the normal trend, what happening? Continuation. And after the continuation, if the continuation not look like so nice, this is the hammer, shooting star. Shooting star bear is not breaking this level and resulting only weak candle. So we know that a pullback may also will become a consolidation, and then we can write the consolidation here and not trust with this kind of like dragonfly doji and do put option here, because consolidation may happen a fake breakout. Okay, that is the another story, guys. So before it get too long, let's continue to the number 3. Okay, this is make me this example of the number 3 make me a little bit crazy, because I have to think why it's bullish there. Even the area is still below 1 deviation. It should be because the effect of the trend, also because the trend is not strong, you know, the major is still consolidation, but it's down, okay. It's like a starting of a down, okay. The price is also doing pullback like this, okay. This is almost the same with the second condition here. After a down, you see that, but it continue, okay, a pullback in form of consolidation. And here we also know that is some kind of pullback. You see, bam, not breaking this level again, this round number, this is a strong one, and happen a bam. So pullback in form of consolidation. Here, pullback in form of consolidation. That is, we have to understand. So I'm repeating this, guys, to the purpose is, the first is to make my brain or my thinking process is like automatic, identifying something, okay. And the second was is to share with you guys. Maybe one of you still also learning with some kind of this trading price action, so maybe it's work for you guys, but I don't know, because works or not, it only depends on yourself. But for me, this is working. So what we know now, what we right now doing here, okay. So you see here, I'm doing a sell option. It's not a bearish candlestick, but it's a bullish, but I'm doing in the right safety net. Okay, I'm using this 50 as a base of this is 50, right? To 50, yes, 50 as the base of resistance. Okay, but imagine when I'm doing sell here, I'm also lost. So from the first my analysis is also not correct here, not correct, and that is I have to find out why I'm thinking that is a sell. That is because that is can be the problem in the next if I'm not realizing right now. Okay, because this is shooting star, guys. You see what I see was a minor downtrend. Okay, the market probably down or consolidation ranging. Okay, because 200 was still not informed. With the 100, you see still in the crowded area. Okay, not information, not in the line, and I see this kind of shooting star, but I feel that this is not so strong with the same body and the wick and the body is like it's like a doji, still like a doji, but because the area is still below 1 deviation lower BB, so I just make entry. I can to do a sell, and I believe that this level will not broken, so I'm doing sell there. But actually that is also very crucial. Imagine my entry was there, so I'm lost, I'm there, I'm lost. So that is the not good point, because actually the candle is bullish, not bearish as I analyze, I'm predicting. So I have to read what is the cause of this. Okay, due to consolidation between round number versus 1 deviation lower BB when major was downtrend but not so strong. Okay, because the major some kind of it's a down, but it's also ranging, not so strong. So the consolidation could happen. Look at that. This is the strong one. Okay, the breakout, and then what happening? This is the sign of a breakout was not so good. Okay, could be good, but we don't know, because after this candle is not appears, we also think we always thinking that this will be a strong retracement or CBSRT, but it's not confirming by this inverted bullish hammer. This inverted bullish hammer also not very nice, because you see the wick and the body is kind of the same, but actually the wick is a little bit longer. You see, in the fast kind of thinking, you will not be able to see these differences. Okay, especially me. And I think this is a weakness because of the major downtrend. So I'm not doing a call here. I'm trying to not against the minor, because I still believe could be this is a consolidation around here. But what happened? Bam! It's not consolidating here. Then what happening? This is some kind of fake breakout. Okay, and now I have to relate it with the level. This is the level of 50. This is, I believe, with the 38.2, and here below was like 23, and this is a round number, the next round number. So that was kind of fake breakout. Okay, here before this is a pullback here, but here here is a fake breakout. Okay, so this happening in the kind of strong area, because 23 is also kind of strong. Okay, this is I believe this is 14. Okay, why the candle strong like this, not breaking the 14 to reach the round number and back to 23, using this as a bullish? Okay, this is weak. Okay, same body and weak, and then the strong area, why it expect resulting bullish? this is a fake breakout. This is not a pullback in this kind of small context, but in the bigger context it's actually pullback. That is why, because of the fractalization of the price. And after this pullback, of course this could be also a retracement, because this is kind of strong minor uptrend. And because this is the level of 38.2 and the 50, this is the zone, could be the consolidation happen. Okay, because the strong of this. So what the important thing was, we have to realizing that this is kind of a reversal, not a pullback. Okay, because when a pullback, it should be bearish here, but it's still making two bullish candle, and even the probability of reaching out more higher is high here. Okay, when we know this was not a kind of pullback. Okay, so if this not a pullback, so we better don't do trade here. Okay, or expect some kind of formation, but not trade in this kind, after this kind of shooting star, because we know this is not a pullback. Why? Because this is bullish. After this happen this weakness, so there is also 50% up, 50% down. So that is why, guys. So now we have to make this chart as a lesson, how to identify a pullback with form of consolidation. Okay, I mean this is pullback in the higher candlestick. Okay, because this is like this. It's basically a pullback in the higher time frame, but in the 1 minute it's not a pullback, it's a reversal. So you see, a pullback will become a reversal. A pullback on the 4 minutes could be like that, will become a reversal, and in the 1 minute. Okay, because we are trade in the lower time frame. With form of consolidation at the level, and understand the possibility of two retracement candle on 3 minute time frame. Okay, this is basically the pullback of 3 minutes. You see, bam, bam, and bam, and after this bam, this is, we have to know also. Okay, so this is what, two bullish, one breakout. Okay, so two candle retracement intolerance with the 3 minutes time frame. So if we know the 3 minutes, so we more easily trade in the 1 minute and identifying the pressure. That is the lesson, but I'm not doing this because I'm wrong in this year, but I have to try to learn to be like this. Okay, so this is too long, guys, 28 minutes. Wow, what I'm doing. Okay, this is the last part. Again, strong minor uptrend, not realizing a strong minor uptrend, I mean. Okay, I'm sorry, my English is a little bit crazy, guys, but I hope you understand what I mean. Where is this is one. Okay, so what happened here? What I think, breakout, consolidation, bam, fake breakout. So I'm doing sell in expectation of retracement or a fake breakout during this consolidation, but what happened is not like that. Even if I following the major, okay, this is following the major in not the right context, because the context is still ranging. It's the downtrend pressure is already melting. Okay, it's disappear, and that is not I realizing here. Okay, this is the sign of the minor downtrend could have a weak position, or pressure is gone. So what I writing here, due to again strong minor uptrend, of course, because strong minor uptrend can happen in below one deviation lower BB. okay, this one, okay, you see, this one, no, this one is not, this one is not, this one and this one, okay. So there is more example in the previous week, but I'm only working with this second week. So what else? On major consolidation context or ranging, okay, so this is ranging, yes, this is ranging, the major. The big major is downtrend again. You see the fractalization. The big major, if it's downtrend, so in the more small major, there is always ranging, always trending. Okay. So I mean by this, because we only move in 1 minute, so it doesn't need 100 candlestick. Okay. Because 3 minutes only is like, it's like can be, it is possible also if we understand 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes. It's very nice to do a trade in 1 minute. So the major is kind of ranging, of course, because this is happening. Okay, if this is not happening, okay, there is no ranging, this is trending. So that is the first. So this is what reversal at 2 deviation, goes breakout 1 deviation, hit middle Bollinger Band, hit 1 deviation upper Bollinger Band, or 2 deviation upper, because now the price is in ranging. So here was confirmed by breakout of consolidation and a fail of bearish hammer to broke a weak level like 14.6. okay, that is why we had the example of 14.6 before, right? So breakout, okay, round number here. What should this breakout is doing? It should be reaching this round number, but what happened? It's hold here, okay. Here the breakout and the doji, it should be continuation. Yes, it's continuation. So if this continuation is strong, it look like strong, you see, but this is a doji, it's look like strong. This is the first sign why the continuation of bearish, it stopped at the weak level like 14.6, and even not it's reaching, but it's rejecting. Okay, it's not closing there. Why it's not reaching and closing at the round number? That a question, that something is holding there. Maybe will happen a reversal, and this is the confirmation when this kind of breakout retracement. So retracement need in a normal downtrend, and then this happening, so it's very nice. Selling pressure could be in this kind of strong area, but what happening? Bam, it's not a selling pressure, holding by 14.6. Then what happening? Bam, it could be. But here after this candle, it's 50-50 also, because we know that it's a consolidation and this candlestick was not very significant, but it's a confirmation of a big selling pressure was gone in the strong sell area, is gone by this candlestick. So this happened to breakout, and after this breakout, it higher chance that this is strong because it's also kind of broken. And don't expect anything here after you see this. If you don't understand this, like me before, maybe you or me doing sell option here, expecting the retracement bearish or the fake breakout, because you follow because we follow the major downtrend, kind of major downtrend, but actually it's too big and it's a ranging mode. So ranging, what happened? Minor in control. So if we understand this before this price movement, bam bam, what is happening, what's happening here, absolutely I will not do a sell here, I will do a call here, because this is could be a strong one on the ranging. Okay, so that is why, guys. And now I have to see what we can learn here. How to identify the start of strong minor uptrend after the end of minor downtrend. So we know why the minor downtrend is end. This is the crucial part. The weak level cannot be broken by the strong kind of breakout and kind of candlestick like bearish hammer in the location of a strong. Why is not strong? That is the question. So something else happened, which is the buying pressure. Confirmed by consolidation and any significant candle not working to behave like it should be on that consolidation, especially on that level. Okay, especially on weak level, not broken. Okay guys, maybe something like that. Now you know how to identify the end of a minor downtrend even in the major downtrend. Okay, so I would like to do something like this because I think this is can make my thinking process a little bit better, but I don't know guys. This is just the experimentation. Maybe you want you can can benefit something out of it. I don't know, it's depend on you. So this is not important. This is all the only me understand this. So that is the feedback of the week. Okay, so thank you guys. I think my feedback is done, and maybe in the next day or 2 days next I will do again the trade for the week 3. So we continue to the week 3 until the week of 6. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you enjoy my video, and bye bye.